All right, we are back, and I want to give you guys a simple trade recap of today. Right, I traded gold, and I'm going to explain to you the step-by-step process that I took when I was about to take this trade. So let me do a bar replay so you guys can get a better understanding. Boom. Right now, first things first. I always look at the 4 hour time frame, and I want to preface this before I even explain this. Right, a good friend of mine recently told me that instead of looking for a step by step cutthroat, this needs to happen, this needs to happen, this needs to happen. Look at the overall picture. What is the picture trying to paint? Right, like the market, it moves, it has patterns, yes, but it tells you what it wants to do in that current moment, right? So let me explain what that means. So pretty much on the 4 hour time frame, we were bearish. Obviously, as you can see, we have a low, lower high, lower low, yada yada yada, right? Now, if you look up here, what is this candle? This candle swept these highs right here, right? That is known as a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweeps, in my opinion, means that the buyers or the sellers were not strong enough to push and close above that level or below that level, which in turn leads to a reversal to the downside. Now, here's a key that I recently incorporated with liquidity sweeps, because before, when I was really, 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 really heavy on ICT, I would literally just wait for a liquidity sweep um against the trend and then try to reverse, right? But what I've been doing was I look at the higher time frame trend, and I wait for a liquidity sweep in the trend direction. So you notice how we're bearish, low, lower high, lower low. I wait for a candle to sweep a high so that we can go lower, right? Now, and yeah, that's like the overall thing. So first things first, I went on the 4 hour time frame, marked out my highs, marked out my lows, noticed that we were bearish, waited for a sweep. Cool. 1 hour time frame, we had a bearish candlestick close right after that sweep. So 10 o'clock, well 9 o'clock, we had a wait. I don't know why. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me go. Yeah. So the thing about it, guys, is the replay mode. It kind of is a little janky because this is supposed to be the 10 o'clock candle. I don't know why it says 6, but yeah, this is supposed to be the 10 o'clock candle. The candle closed like this, and then the 1 hour candle. Yeah, I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, so I noticed that we had a bearish candlestick close after the 4 hour liquidity sweep. Immediately went to the 1 minute time frame, waited for price to align with the trend. So we needed price to go bearish, and I entered. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's my entry? Where the hell is my entry? Why is it not showing now? I entered on this candlestick right here. I entered a sell on this candlestick right here. We had some drawdown, right? But at the end of the day, we hit a 1-to-1, right? We had a 1-to-1 risk reward trade. And that's pretty much it, bro. Like it's not rocket science. It's literally simple. And that's all that it took. We made about $150 today, and we're very close to passing the evaluation account. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So I look at the higher time frame structure. Hopefully get a liquidity sweep. If we don't get a liquidity sweep, I just literally wait for price to close with a candlestick above or below the higher time frame swing high, swing low. And then I wait for price on a 1 minute time frame to align with that structure. So yeah, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we'll take another trade later on tonight or tomorrow. Later.